Hey there. I can't believe the kind of traffic I had to deal with today. It's driving me crazy. Some people on the road just don't know how to drive properly. I swear, sometimes it feels like I'm about to hit those cars and bikers who are not following any traffic rules.
I totally get your frustration, but a few months back, I used to feel the same way. It was really getting to me, but now I've found a way to stay calm amidst the chaos.
Really? Please share your secret with me. I need to figure out how to get rid of this anxiety while driving.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. First of all, you've got to understand that road rage and frustration won't get you anywhere. It's not good for your own well-being, and it certainly won't improve the situation on the road. So, take a deep breath and relax.
Easier said than done. I mean, you've seen how people drive out there, right?
I know it's tough, but you've got to keep a few things in mind. First, try not to take it personally. Most of the time, those bad drivers aren't targeting you. They might just be careless or inexperienced.
I guess you're right. I shouldn't assume they're out to get me.
Exactly. Also, remind yourself that getting angry won't change the situation. It'll only add to your stress. I've learned that it's better to stay calm and composed.
But how do I stay calm when someone cuts me off or tailgates me?
When you encounter aggressive drivers, it's best to let them pass. You don't need to engage with them. Just maintain your own safe speed and distance. In the long run, it's safer and less stressful.
I'll give it a try, but it's so frustrating when I feel like they're breaking the rules and I'm just letting them get away with it.
I know what you mean, but remember, it's not your job to enforce the rules. Leave that to law enforcement. Your priority is your safety and well-being. And staying calm will help you make better decisions.
That makes sense. What else can I do to deal with this road rage?
One effective way is to use relaxation techniques. When you start feeling your blood boil, take a few deep breaths. It's amazing how something as simple as deep breathing can help you regain control of your emotions.
That sounds doable. I'll try it out next time I'm stuck in traffic. What about the incessant honking and rude gestures?
Oh, those can be really irritating, but it's best to ignore them. Getting involved in altercations is dangerous. Just focus on your own driving and let them vent their frustration.
Thanks for sharing all these tips. I'll definitely give them a try.
You're welcome.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.